Chief Executive of Kaveri Hospital, Dr. Arvind Selvarajan, Rotarian Soumya Skandan, Rotarian Anita Thiru, Rotarian Mahesh Pattabhiraman. Ladies and gentlemen, indeed, it's when I went through, I didn't realize actually, I know Rotary, I know the tremendous work that was run by Rotary many, many years ago, in fact decades ago, when I was a short while a member of Rotary, with the polio eradication effort in India. And I know of consistently various services. In fact, I pass every day the Winner's Bakery, and I always used to bring a smile to my face to see such a wonderful little training establishment in Chennai serving disadvantaged people. But little did I realize that it is a grain of sand compared to the work that you actually have done right through these years. It is really an extraordinary for a club which is not such an old club. In fact, the club was started much after I left Rotary. So, I must congratulate all of you for this wonderful service that you're doing. Now let me come to the award itself. Dr. KVT, or as he was known, very few people referred to him as Dr. Thiruvengadam. In Chennai, from the age of my teenage, he was my doctor. He represented almost the foremost practitioner of medicine in the galaxy of Chennai. And he was the greatest teacher, gentle, humble, caring, exact. He would go step by step through his diagnostic process. I have not seen anyone like KVT. And it is only fitting that the award should be given in his name to leading medical practitioners. And when I saw the galaxy of people who have been adorned with this award, most of whom I know Bhaskar, the dentist from, forever. Equally Dr. Badrinath, Dr. Cherian, Dr. Reddy, all eminent people, all stars. And today we have a new star, Sai Satish. It is only a fitting recognition for Sai. I have known Sai for a few years because he's my mother's doctor, and he's one of those people whom went into hospital looking weak and drawn, and today she was out of ICU. Sai looked after her, and she's bright, she's cheerful, and ready to come home tomorrow. So she represents one of the many people that you saw in the video of how Sai looks after people. He's really a child of Sai in his compassion, in his humaneness, in his kindness. I don't want to talk so much about his medical skills. Only yesterday we were talking about Sai Baba and saying, he always said, it's not good to be great, but it is great to be good. And he epitomizes that. He also epitomizes Baba's teaching, love all, serve all, and see God in everyone, irrespective of caste, creed, or social standing. So He is first of all a wonderful and good human being. On top of being internationally acclaimed doctor who has done this catheter procedure for valve repair, one of the top intervention cardiologists in the country, who is recognized world over and certified to teach across the world, and has done the most number of clips, which he did on my mother a couple of days ago. And it's amazing when he showed me the procedure and how intricate it is and how exact you have to be. It really blew my mind. I assumed that it was something as simple as, the surgeries that I have seen, but I didn't realize that you could clip a valve, which is like a feather of a bee, which is flapping, and you have to catch it at the moment and clip it. It was just unbelievable. Truly, he's selfless, he's generous, warm, and one of the finest human beings that I know. So, thank you very much for inviting me to give it to Sai and to a club which is unbelievable. I know Rotary clubs have proliferated over time and there's so many clubs, but for a club like this to do so much, I was really amazed, awestruck. Finally, I must say one thing to all the doctors of the country, doctors of India, the medical staff, the nurses, the public health staff whom you have recognized with IAS Radhakrishnan. The last 18 months, the service done by doctors, nurses, all the people in the hospital, to the millions of suffering in our country requires an ovation for them. The medical profession in our country has upheld the greatest values of Indian culture, our dharma. So I would like to thank all of them and express my gratitude on behalf of 1.3 billion Indians whom they have served. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring words. And we are indeed honored that you could be here amongst us. Thank you so much for taking the time. I now request our President, Rotarian Srini Rao, to present a small memento, a token of our thanks to our chief guest, Sri Venu Srinivasan. I now request the chairperson of the award, Rotarian Anita, to present a memento to our awardee, Dr. Sai Satish. This memento is actually a very special memento, and I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to explain about it. It's a book that has been put together by Sujata Shankar and the artist Manohar Devadas. And Manohar Devadas was visually challenged. He actually suffered from tunnel vision. And the drawings that are in the book are exquisite. And it is amazing to see that somebody with a visual challenge was able to produce such an exquisite art. It has also been autographed specifically for our chief guest and for the awardee. Thank you. I would now like to request our incoming president, Rotarian Ramakumar, to please present the vote of thanks.
Good evening, all. Thank you, President, for giving me this opportunity. Vaidyo Narayano Hari. Often doctors are compared to gods even from olden days. Thank you, Dr. Sai Satish, for being the dedicated, thoughtful, and compassionate doctor that you are. Doctors like you always go above and beyond the work tirelessly towards a healthy outcome. This is the first year in the absence of our own Dr. KVT after his demise. We are giving this award. Even he would have felt so happy that this award is given to such a worthy person if he was alive. Thank you very much, Doctor, for accepting this prestigious award. National progress is the sum of individual industry, energy, and uprightness, referred by Samuel Smiles, a Scottish author and government reformer. Honorable Venu Srinivasan, sir, because of your industrialists like you, our country is progressing in spite of all the odds the world is currently going through. Thank you very much, sir, for coming to our club today amidst your busy schedule. I thank our District Governor, Rotarian J. Sridhar, for witnessing this memorable event with your physical presence, sir. We know how precious your time is this year with so many clubs, so many projects, so much of hectic schedules. Thank you once again, DG. I thank our own Rotarian Dr. Arvindan